We're going to start off today in ClassLink, where you'll find most of the apps teachers will use when instructing students. Look in the upper right-hand part of the screen and you'll see this icon. This is the translate option where you can translate from English to Spanish. You'll notice that some of the text on the screen has now changed to Spanish. Go ahead and pick an app. In this case, we'll open BrainPop. And again, it goes back to English, and you'll have to click on the icon again to translate into Spanish. Let's demonstrate this again, this time with a different app, such as Discovery Education. In this case, we're on the home screen for Discovery Education. We click on the icon, change it to Spanish, and in this instance, it takes a moment or two before it actually translates. Be prepared for that. Some websites will be very quick, and some need a moment or two, but then you'll notice all of the items on the screen are now listed in Spanish, including the buttons. One more look here at an app. This one is called Newsela. This app is primarily for our middle and high school students, and it has a lot of news articles that they will want to read. And in this case, we have to wait for the page to load, and then we'll click on the translate icon. And you'll notice right now that everything is back in English again. So we click on Spanish, and pretty quickly here, it changes all of the titles to Spanish. We click on one of the articles, and you will notice that it has again returned to English, but then wait a moment and it translates back into Spanish again. Google Translate's a great tool and can be very helpful for you.